Let's quickly walk through handling receipts and refunds right inside Business Central.
Okay, let's dive right in, starting with how you process a customer's payment. First up, just use the search bar and look for the Cash Receipt Journals page.
So this journal screen is where you'll be entering all of the payment details.
All right, start by filling in the date, document type, and setting the account type to customer.
Now, you'll need to select the specific customer who is making the payment.
And boom, the system just fills in the customer's account number and name for you.
Next, just click the three dots to open the list and choose the right subaccount. Okay, this next part is super important. It's a really common mistake, so listen up.
Always, and I mean always, enter the payment amount as a negative number to credit them.
To finish the line, you'll set the balancing account type to your designated bank account. Before you finalize anything, you've got to use preview posting. Seriously, it's a lifesaver. This screen shows you exactly how the transaction is going to affect all your ledgers. If everything looks correct, go ahead, click Post, and just confirm it. And there you go. You'll get this confirmation message once the transaction is successfully posted.
You can see the final entry right here on the General Ledger Register. Nice and clean.
All right, now let's tackle the reverse of that, issuing a refund.
Notice the key difference here. Account type is bank account, and the amount is now positive.
Then, select the customer in the Ball Account No field to finish up the entry. So what happens if you forget a step when you try to preview the post?
Well, the system will actually stop you with an error, telling you exactly what to fix.
So, what are the key takeaways? Remember these 4 critical points for totally error-free entries.